is delicious. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a very delicious recipe. It's called a Helma'S curry chicken. Yes, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. Chicken, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and then this is our liquid. And then you need just I'm gonna put the amounts in the description of the recipe, okay? Everything else is done on powder. So we have garlic powder, curry powder, cumin. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Cumin. I don't know. Onion powder, coriander. Another word that I hate to pronounce. Sage and thyme. We always need thyme. Okay, let's go to it. We have the chicken washed. Oh, I forgot the lemon. Yes, we need the lemon. It's nice and clean. I use, I think it's called cutlet, without the bones. I like this one because it's very tasteful. Okay. Anyway, we are going to use this lemon, the squeezer. I was gonna say something else. Okay, you just put it in the thing. I put one lemon, okay? Now I'm just going to put cumin. Everything that I have here is like I think I have another one, but anyway, it's about 2 teaspoons. Now we're talking. I'm gonna put, I like to use a plastic bag because then you're gonna mix it up without using your hands, so it's very useful. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of onion powder, I'm gonna have it pour like this. It's about 1 teaspoon of each ingredients I'm gonna make. Sage is very good with chicken. You should try. It brings out the flavors of the chicken. Favorite one. Sorry. What is missing? The thyme. I like thyme. I take time with my thyme. Thyme. Then we have the garlic. Garlic I put a lot. You can never have too much garlic. Now it's the star of the show, curry. But the curry, I'm just going to put only 1 spoon, okay? Now we're almost ready. What are we going to do? We are going to put the sauces in. I put about half a cup of I put half a cup of soy sauce, takes a long time to do this. I'm gonna put quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce. It's a funny name. I take it off because look, it takes a long time to do it. So, and that's it. Our chicken is almost done. I'm gonna close this bag, and now we're gonna shake. Isn't that delicious and easy to make? And this is going to be very flavorful. This is it. We're ready to go outside. We're going to go to the grill now. I'm ready to put it on the grill. It's hot in Miami, guys. My God. I need a bathing suit. In Miami, I'm gonna get a glass of water. I hope you're enjoying this. It smells so good. I really hope you liked the video. If you did, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment so I can know if you made this recipe or not. I hope you make the recipe and see how delicious it is. Until the next time.